In today's video, you'll see heavy excavators working with incredible precision and power. From heavy logs to stubborn tree trunks, everything is handled with speed and precision. If you love mechanical power or are simply curious about what modern machines can do, this is a video you won't want to miss. The CC Boyce Holzricker is a machine for hauling and cutting trees in the forest. With an engine capacity of about 250 horsepower and a winch with a capacity of 15 tons, the machine can cut and pull 20 to 30 large trees per hour out of the forest. The Tigercat 845E is a powerful logging machine working efficiently in the forests of Nova Scotia, Canada. With an engine capacity of about 275 horsepower and an 8.5-meter long boom, the 845E can fell and process 60 to 80 large trees per hour. The Tigercat 845E moves easily over steep forest terrain, helping to harvest hundreds of tons of wood per day safely and durably. The all-new Svetruk TMF 28-21 easily lifts the Volvo FH12 6x2 timber hauler thanks to its powerful 280 HP engine. The superior hydraulic system allows for agile movement and precise unloading of timber. With its impressive payload capacity, the job gets done quickly and efficiently. Leave comment number 1 if you find this machine is a giant monster, powerful, and easily pulls tons of wood in a snap. The LKT81 log tractor has a capacity of 180 horsepower, specially designed to transport large volumes of wood up to 21 m3 per trip. With the ability to overcome complex terrain and a powerful traction system, the LKT81 optimizes the logging process, ensuring high performance and durability in harsh forestry environments. The CAT 366E is a heavy-duty demolition excavator, ideal for projects that require quick dismantling. With an operating weight of over 70 tons and a boom length of up to 28 meters, the CAT 366E can easily demolish the walls, roof, and concrete structure of a house in just a few hours. It can handle 200 to 300 tons of material, turning an entire house into rubble, ready for collection and recycling. The Vermeer HG6800TX is a heavy-duty wood crusher ideal for large-scale wood processing projects. With a powerful 950 horsepower engine, the HG6800TX can crush up to 150 tons of wood per hour. The 1.5 meter wide inlet conveyor and track system make it easy to move over rough terrain, processing large tree trunks to hard roots in just a few minutes, turning them into mulch or wood chips for recycling and biomass energy production. Next, I will introduce other heavy machines. Please watch the whole video to see how modern these machines have developed. Heavy machinery was deployed to transport 2 giant CO2 tanks, each weighing up to 100 tons. The transport attracted attention as many trees were felled in the city to make way for the road. However, the first tank overturned shortly after passing through the area, falling into a field next to the road. Fortunately, all drivers and workers were safe.
Ja, vielleicht haben die auch irgendwie irgendjemanden angeschrieben oder Abschnitt unternehmen, beziehungsweise die auch nicht bekannt
The Facon FTX 128L is a machine that is specialized in crushing and clearing vegetation. Equipped with a 128 horsepower engine, with the ability to crush tree trunks and bushes up to 30 centimeters in diameter, it helps to quickly clear the ground on rough terrain. The machine's powerful hydraulic system and durable design ensure high performance in large-scale forestry and construction projects. At a construction site in Germany, the Hitachi ZX 673 is working with other machines to demolish old rail tracks. With the largest excavator, the ZX 670 Tuck 3, weighing nearly 70 tons, and flexible compact machines like the A918 Compact, the fleet can dismantle hundreds of meters of track per day, collecting thousands of tons of material to prepare for upgrading traffic infrastructure. The Tesmec 1150 Avio is a modern surface miner, ideal for large quarries and infrastructure projects. With an engine power of approximately 415 horsepower, the 1150 Avio can cut trenches up to 1.5 meters wide and 1.8 meters deep, processing more than 250 cubic meters of rock or hard soil per hour. Tesmec 1675 is a large trenching machine specialized in constructing underground pipes and cables in hard terrain. With an engine capacity of up to 630 horsepower, the Tesmec 1675 can dig a trench 8 meters wide, up to 3 meters deep, reaching a productivity of more than 300 meters of trench per hour. Thanks to the sturdy chain system and super durable cutting drum, this machine easily devours hard rock and soil while still ensuring straight, neat trenches ready for large-scale infrastructure installation. The Special Transport Truck Show in the Netherlands is an event that brings together hundreds of super heavy machines from all over Europe. Here, you can admire the 80-meter-long trailers, multi-axle trailers carrying equipment weighing more than 500 tons, or tractors with a capacity of over 1,000 horsepower. The event attracts tens of thousands of visitors every year, becoming an impressive playground for the giant transport industry, where technology, power, and top-notch driving skills are fully displayed. Curious about the power of giant mining machines? With a 350 horsepower engine, the 1989 Caterpillar Diwataet starts working in a new scene, revealing a coal seam below the ground. The next trencher, Site 50, is not just a conventional trenching disc, but the epitome of precision and performance. With the ability to dig trenches up to 80 cm deep and with width adjustment from 12 to 25 cm. It is the ideal partner for creating evenly spaced trenches. The disc groove system not only supports precise cutting of trench faces, but also ensures safety and cleanliness during operation. The flexible rotation system is particularly noteworthy, allowing the customization of the trenching disc to quickly and precisely connect and dig secondary pipes from the main channel. Have you ever wondered how a farmer can harvest tons of sugar beets in 8 hours? The answer lies in the Vervet Beet Eater Evo 625, which is not only a sugar beet harvester, but also a masterpiece combining tradition and innovation. Its flexible handling and outstanding performance stand out in sugar beet harvesting. With the Beet Eater Evo 625, farmers have more than just a machine. They have a reliable partner that helps them overcome all challenges in a modern and highly efficient way. Perhaps the holy grail of foundation drilling is the Liebherr LB28, an icon in the drilling rig industry that takes construction technology to new heights. Weighing 83 tons and powered by a powerful 450 kW engine, the rig is both powerful and the pinnacle of sophistication. GPS and automated controls optimize the drilling process, delivering unparalleled precision and efficiency. With a powerful 480 kL engine and advanced automation, the machine delivers outstanding performance, saving time and costs. The modern screening system helps remove impurities, ensuring clean, uniform beet harvest. Grimme Maxtron 620 is a super machine for harvesting sugar beets, optimally designed for German fields. stone crusher FE STC SSL, the #1 choice for construction contractors. With its powerful design, advanced hydraulic system, and diverse crushing capabilities, FAE STC SSL easily meets all strict requirements. Put STC SSL into your construction and experience the breakthrough power. The 528,110-pound transformer is being transported up the valley, assisted by a powerful 600 horsepower engine. The superior traction helps the machine operate stably, overcome difficult roads, ensuring safe and efficient movement. With a capacity of 363 metric tons and a maximum speed of 64 km/h, the T282 is the optimal solution for large-scale projects. The sturdy steel frame and advanced drive system help minimize downtime and increase productivity. The 600,000-pound furnace crossed the Atlantic from Italy, up the Mississippi and Ouachita rivers to Port Crosset, Arkansas. From there, it continued its 6-day journey on the highway in a 260-foot-long convoy of specialized vehicles, making it a rare and highly visible transport of super-heavy equipment. Witness the destruction of the 67-foot commercial fishing vessel Miss China as the powerful excavator tears through the steel. With overwhelming force and precise strikes, the excavator easily crushes the vessel, creating an impressive and dramatic scene.
The Miss China was a former shrimper built in the mid-60s. Its hull made of wood sheathed in fiberglass that peeled away like an onion skin as the excavator went to work. Once the wheelhouse was opened up, Johnny Roy carefully plucked the boat's wheel off the boat for salvage.
Thanks for watching all the way through. We'd love to know which machine impressed you most. Leave us a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos every week. Catch you in the next one.